Welcome back, Cosmic Explorers, to She Explores the Cosmos Artificial Intelligence. In our journey so far, we've marveled at AI's brilliance, from its common sense to its multimodal fusion, to its quirky human-like flaws. We've seen its immense power. But with this power comes a new universe of questions, difficult, critical questions about right and wrong, about fairness and accountability. Today, we're not just exploring the what or the how of AI, but the should. We're diving into AI ethics. And this isn't just about robots, it's about the kind of world we want to build. The very idea of making AI have autonomous decisions creates a fundamental paradox. Take self-driving cars. In a split second, it has to choose between two terrible outcomes. So who holds accountability when AI makes a mistake? Is it the car's owner, the programmer who wrote the code, or the company that manufactured it? The lack of clear answers is a roadblock to progress. The problem isn't just limited to cars. In medicine, an AI might misdiagnose a critical condition. When a human doctor makes an error, we have a clear chain of accountability. But what about an algorithm that's never seen a specific case before? This leads us to the challenge of human oversight. When does our intervention hinder the AI's speed and efficiency? And when is it necessary to ensure safety? Finding that balance is one of the hardest questions we face. In critical systems like power grids or financial markets, we face the control problem. How do we prevent an autonomous AI from acting against our original human intent? The consequences of a misaligned goal could be catastrophic. Because AI doesn't learn in a vacuum. It learns from our past, and our past is riddled with inequality. And this leads to algorithmic discrimination. When AI is trained on historical data from hiring, lending, or law enforcement, it can learn and perpetrate those same biases, leading to unfair outcomes. And it's important to remember that the AI isn't intentionally racist or sexist. It's that it's a reflection of the biased data that it was fed. So again, this is where we confront the black box problem. It's incredibly difficult to understand how complex AI reaches its conclusions. We have to demand more data transparency and a way to unpack the black box. Currently, to combat this, researchers are developing fairness metrics, quantifiable standards to assess and mitigate bias. It's a way to hold these systems accountable, not just for accuracy, but for equity. We live in a world of surveillance. AI-powered facial recognition and predictive policing promise increased safety, but at what cost to our privacy? It's an ethical tightrope of whether we sacrifice our privacy for security. The AI revolution is built on data, but who truly owns the information AI collects from our daily lives? Our search history, our health data, our locations. Do we have genuine ownership and consent when we click agree? We often rely on anonymization, but AI's ability to cross-reference datasets and re-identify individuals from seemingly random pieces of information means that to truly remain anonymous is a challenge in this technological era. AI is posed to be an employment earthquake. The automation of tasks will lead to significant job displacement in traditional industries, but it will create new jobs that we can't even imagine yet. As a society, we have a responsibility to prepare our workforce for this seismic shift. We must invest in retraining and reskilling programs to give people the tools to work alongside AI, not just against it. The ethical challenges of AI are not just national, they're global. So we need a global governance and international frameworks that encourage cooperation and discourage a race to the bottom on safety and ethics. And it also falls on developers to lead the charge. We must adopt ethical AI development guidelines that build human values into the very core of the algorithms, ensuring that they are designed for good from the ground up. And I want to emphasize that this isn't just a job for experts. Public education and engagement are vital. We must empower every citizen to understand, question, and participate in the shaping of a future where AI serves humanity, not the other way around. The journey into the autonomous future is one that we must all navigate together. And if you want to be a part of our next cosmic journey, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next episode. Until then, keep exploring.